Welcome back to Island Vape's YouTube channel, and today I have another new device for you guys. We have the Flavour Beast fixx, which is a 3,000 puff Flavour Beast. The Flavour Beast 4,000 was a really good device with the adjustable airflow and everything. So I'm expecting very big things from this device here. So basically, it's almost the exact same as the Flavour Beast Flow or the 4,000 box wise, except instead of Flow it says fixx. Today we got the Bomb Blue Raz. But you can see it keeps the same information here. This one is 8 mils of juice inside, 20 nicotine. You got your warning labels on the back. You also have your excess stamp sticker right here, just like how it is now in Canada. We do need to have these on our devices. But let's get into this thing and open it up. So unlike the other one, it doesn't have a rechargeable battery or adjustable airflow, but it still does provide like the mesh coil inside, which is pretty much standard on most disposables nowadays. Packaging is still pretty similar, very nice, very sleek. Inside of the box, you do get a little pamphlet of like your warning, then your basically all the contents of inside and what the liquids are inside of it. So when we open this up now, so we have our sticker on the bottom, which you can pull that off. So like I said, no rechargeable or adjustable airflow on this device here, which is still isn't too bad because it is 3,000 plus, which I'm very surprised about. But overall, still the same kind of finish, same style drip, tip at the top. But very nice, very sleek. Compared to the size of my hand, it is pretty small for 3,000 puffs, which is pretty nice. But enough talking, let's get into it. Flavor is almost identical to the 4,000, almost. So I would say that the 4,000 is a bit more flavorful, but overall it's still very sweet, just like the 4,000 puff, the flow of the original Flavor Beast. Overall, it's not too bad. I would say this is actually a pretty nice device. It's coming in at $25.99, which isn't too bad for the MSRP. So overall, for the price, it's not too bad. You do get a nice indicator light at the bottom to make sure it's working. Basically, when it's in, it's going to flash that it's dead. It does get enough vapor production as well. Gets a lot, not as much as the flow, but still produces a lot. It does have a slight whistle when you're vaping it, not too bad in that aspect, but it's still very silent and very smooth pull. Um, I would say this is not for everybody due to the fact that it is a very sweet vape. But if you do like your sweeter vapes, I would definitely recommend this device to you. Thank you for tuning in to Island Vape's YouTube channel. Please hit that like and subscribe button, and we'll have more videos for you guys. Thank you.